how are you all? I hope you all are very fine. Hi, this is Arshi and welcome to NewtonGATE Academy. So today we will start with a new topic of English grammar, which is degree of comparison. A very interesting topic. Let's start. See, the first question is that what is degree of comparison? The degree of comparison in English grammar are made with adjective and adverb words to show how big or small, high or low the things are. Or maybe we can tell that we can compare something. Like that we can say that we use degree of comparison. Now, how we use degree of comparison? That is the first question. See, there are 3 degrees of comparison. One is positive, second one is comparative, and the third one is superlative. There are 3 rules: positive, comparative, and superlative. Now you have to understand that where you will use positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. This is the first thing you must know. Now, where you will use positive degree, and what is positive degree? When we speak about only one person or thing, we use positive degree. So, where we use positive degree? If we are speaking about only one person or one thing, then we can use positive degree. See, here are some examples. He is an intelligent boy. Like, I am talking about only one boy, and that boy is intelligent. So here it is a positive degree we are using. Okay, now the second part is what is comparative degree. Now I know that you know about this form, that what is comparative degree? Means you are comparing between 2 things or some 2 animals or 2 persons. Like this you can use comparative degree. See, here it is written. The comparative adjectives are those adjectives which compare the difference between the characteristic of 2 different nouns in a sentence. Means you are comparing between 2 persons or 2 things. You can say this. He is more intelligent boy than Rahul. Or Ravi is more intelligent boy than Rahul. You are comparing between these 2 boys. For that reason, what degree you have to use? You have to use comparative degree. Understood? Now, the third point is superlative degree. What is superlative degree? See, the superlative degree of an adjective denotes the highest degree of the quality and is used when more than 2 things or set of things are compared. Like if you are comparing one thing with many, then that is superlative degree. Here is an example. Elephants are the heaviest mammals in the world. So I am comparing elephant with many mammals. For that reason, what I used heaviest. I didn't say heavier. The right term will be heaviest. So you understood that where we can use positive, comparative and superlative degree. Now see examples of degree. How you will write positive, comparative and superlative degree. This one is also very important thing. You must know about this. In positive, you will use poor. In comparative, you have to use poorer. What you will add in this comparative portion? You have to add ER, poorer. And in superlative section, you have to use poorest plus EST. So this one is the formula of writing degree: positive, comparative and superlative. Like rich, richer plus ER, richest plus EST. In superlative, you can't write plus ER. In superlative degree, you have to use plus EST. Richest. Am I clear, dear? I think you understood. Now, in this next portion, exercise on degree. So, in this section, you have to do this exercise, and in the chat section, you have to send me the answers. I want to know that you did or not. If you have any question, then you can ask me the question in the chat section. So dear, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.